Today, we're going to dive deep into the power of rewriting your money story and breaking free from limiting beliefs. Greetings, peace and love. Isis Love here, certified hypnotherapist, dedicated in empowering individuals on their transformational journey towards financial freedom and abundance through the magical realms of mindfulness and hypnosis. So, let's dive deep into it. Let's talk about the power of rewriting your money story and breaking free from these limiting beliefs. In this 60-second video, I'm going to share a powerful secret with you. Your beliefs shape your financial reality. Are you ready to rewrite your money story? It's time to release these thoughts like money is scarce or I'll never be wealthy. Or what I want you guys to do is I want you to replace it with empowering beliefs that attract abundance and prosperity. Through the magical realms of self-hypnosis and mindfulness, we can reprogram our mind to align it with the vibration of abundance and financial freedom. Imagine a life where financial worry are just a thing of a past. You have the power to create the reality, and I'm here to support you every step of the way. Go ahead and book your free clarity call today. Visit my website below so that you can unlock more secrets to rewriting your money story. And together, we're going to break free from these limiting beliefs and we're going to embrace on this limited abundance together. Remember, dear souls, it's time to rewrite your money story and create a financial freedom that you deserve. Go ahead, book your call today. Share this video with someone today and save it for later.